Welcome! Today, we're diving into how to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way. While many people focus on losing weight, there are just as many who struggle to put on pounds safely. Whether you're recovering from illness, have a fast metabolism, or simply want to build muscle, it's important to approach weight gain thoughtfully. We'll cover nutrition, exercise, lifestyle habits, and tips to help you reach your goals without compromising your health. Let's start by understanding why healthy weight gain matters and how it can benefit your overall well-being. Gaining weight isn't just about eating more food, it's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients. Healthy weight gain supports muscle development, boosts energy, and can improve immune function. It's especially important for those who are underweight or have lost weight due to stress or illness. By focusing on balanced nutrition and positive habits, you can avoid the pitfalls of unhealthy weight gain, such as excess fat or poor metabolic health. Let's explore the key principles that make healthy weight gain effective and safe. Before starting your weight gain journey, it's important to assess your current health status. Consider factors like your age, activity level, and any underlying medical conditions. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can help you set realistic goals and create a personalized plan. Tracking your weight, body composition, and energy levels will also help you monitor progress and make adjustments as needed. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. This is called a caloric surplus. However, it's not just about eating anything and everything. The quality of your calories matters. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats rather than empty calories from sugary snacks or processed foods. A moderate surplus of 300-500 calories per day is usually enough to support steady, healthy weight gain without adding excess fat. When aiming to gain weight, prioritize foods that are rich in nutrients. Whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables should form the foundation of your meals. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, whole milk, and fatty fish are excellent choices because they pack a lot of nutrition and calories into smaller portions. This approach helps you increase your calorie intake without feeling overly full or bloated. If you struggle to eat large meals, try eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Aim for 3 main meals and 2 to 3 snacks. This strategy can help you gradually increase your calorie intake without overwhelming your digestive system. Keep healthy snacks like trail mix, yogurt, or nut butter handy for when you need a quick energy boost. Consistency is key. Regular eating patterns support steady weight gain. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle, especially if you're combining weight gain with strength training. Include high-quality protein sources like eggs, chicken, fish, dairy, beans, and tofu in every meal. Aim for at least 1.2 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This will help ensure that the weight you gain is healthy muscle, not just fat. Don't shy away from fats. They're calorie-dense and support hormone production, brain health, and energy. Focus on unsaturated fats from sources like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Limit saturated and trans fats found in processed foods. Adding a drizzle of olive oil to salads or a handful of nuts to your snacks can easily boost your calorie intake in a healthy way. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, especially if you're active. Include whole grain breads, rice, pasta, potatoes, and starchy vegetables in your meals. These foods provide sustained energy and help replenish glycogen stores in your muscles. Pairing carbs with protein and healthy fats creates balanced meals that support both weight gain and overall health. While fruits and vegetables are lower in calories, they're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Including a variety of colorful produce in your diet supports digestion, immunity, and overall health. Try adding fruit to your breakfast, snacking on carrot sticks, or tossing extra veggies into soups and stews. Every little bit helps create a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Snacking is a great way to add extra calories and nutrients between meals. Opt for snacks like Greek yogurt with fruit, nut butter on whole grain toast, or trail mix with dried fruit and seeds. These options provide a mix of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, helping you stay energized and satisfied throughout the day. If you find it hard to eat enough solid food, try adding liquid calories to your diet. Smoothies, milkshakes, and meal replacement drinks can be packed with nutrients and are easier to consume. Use ingredients like whole milk, nut butters, protein powder, oats, and fruits to create calorie-rich beverages that support your weight gain goals. Exercise is a key part of healthy weight gain, especially strength training. Lifting weights or doing resistance exercises helps you build muscle rather than just adding fat. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength sessions per week, allowing time for recovery between workouts. Rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to gaining healthy weight. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after workouts. Make sure you're getting enough sleep each night. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Incorporate rest days into your exercise routine and listen to your body's signals. Proper recovery helps you avoid injury and supports steady progress. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and supports your weight gain efforts. Water helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and muscle function. While you may be tempted to drink high-calorie beverages, don't forget to include plenty of water throughout the day. Herbal teas and milk are also a good option. Avoid excessive caffeine or sugary sodas, which can dehydrate you or add empty calories. Monitoring your progress is key to staying motivated and making adjustments. Keep a food diary or use an app to track your calorie intake, weight, and body measurements. Take progress photos and note how you feel physically and mentally. If you're not seeing the results you want, tweak your plan by increasing calories or adjusting your exercise routine. Remember, healthy weight gain takes time and patience. If you have a low appetite, try strategies like eating at regular times, choosing appealing foods, and making meals visually attractive. Eating with friends or family can also make meals more enjoyable. Sometimes, gentle exercise before meals can stimulate hunger. Avoid drinking large amounts of water right before eating, as this can fill you up and reduce your appetite. Planning your meals ahead of time can help you stay on track with your weight gain goals. Create a weekly menu, prep ingredients in advance, and keep healthy snacks available. Batch cooking meals like stews, casseroles, or grain bowls makes it easier to have nutritious options ready when you're hungry. Meal planning also helps you avoid skipping meals or reaching for less healthy choices. Let's look at some sample meal ideas for healthy weight gain. For breakfast, try oatmeal with whole milk, nuts, and fruit. Lunch could be a chicken and avocado sandwich on whole grain bread with a side of roasted sweet potatoes. For dinner, enjoy salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Snacks might include Greek yogurt with honey or a smoothie with nut butter and banana. These meals are balanced, calorie-rich, and full of nutrients. Supplements can be helpful if you're struggling to meet your calorie or nutrient needs through food alone. Protein powders, meal replacement shakes, and certain vitamins or minerals may be recommended by your healthcare provider. However, whole foods should always be your first choice. Use supplements as a support, not a replacement for balanced meals. It might be tempting to load up on junk food to gain weight quickly, but this can harm your health in the long run. Highly processed foods, sugary snacks, and fried items can lead to excess fat gain, poor digestion, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Focus on quality over quantity. Choose foods that nourish your body and support your goals. Practicing mindful eating can help you tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eat slowly, savor your food, and avoid distractions like screens during meals. This approach not only makes eating more enjoyable, but also helps you recognize when you need more food or when you're satisfied. Mindful eating supports healthy digestion and can prevent overeating or undereating. Weight gain is a journey, and setbacks are normal. You might have days when you don't eat enough or miss a workout. Don't be discouraged. Focus on consistency over perfection. Reflect on what caused the setback and adjust your plan if needed. Celebrate small victories and keep moving forward. Remember, progress is rarely linear, but persistence pays off. Having a support system can make your weight gain journey easier and more enjoyable. Share your goals with friends or family members who can encourage you and keep you accountable. Joining a community, either in person or online, can provide motivation, recipe ideas, and a sense of camaraderie. Remember, you're not alone. Many people are working towards similar goals. Stress can impact your appetite, digestion, and overall health. Practice stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or gentle exercise to support your weight gain efforts. Prioritize self-care and make time for activities you enjoy. Managing stress not only helps you feel better, but also supports healthy eating and consistent progress. Getting enough sleep is crucial for healthy weight gain. Sleep supports muscle recovery, hormone balance, and appetite regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine, limit screen time before bed, and create a comfortable sleep environment. Good sleep habits will help you feel energized and ready to tackle your goals. A healthy digestive system is key to absorbing the nutrients you need for weight gain. Include fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and plenty of fluids in your diet. If you experience digestive issues like bloating or discomfort, consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Taking care of your gut health ensures you get the most out of the foods you eat. If you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's important to work with your healthcare provider when planning to gain weight. Certain illnesses or treatments can affect your appetite, metabolism, or nutrient absorption. A professional can help you create a safe and effective plan tailored to your needs. ensuring you gain weight in a healthy way. If you're struggling to gain weight despite your best efforts, or if you experience unexplained weight loss, it's important to seek medical advice. There may be underlying health issues that need to be addressed. A registered dietitian or doctor can help identify any problems and guide you toward the right solutions for your situation. Athletes may need to gain weight to improve performance or meet the demands of their sport. This often means focusing on muscle gain rather than just adding body fat. A combination of increased calorie intake, targeted strength training, and adequate recovery is essential. Work with a sports nutritionist to develop a plan that supports your athletic goals and overall health. Older adults may face unique challenges when it comes to gaining weight, such as decreased appetite or medical conditions. Focus on easy-to-eat, nutrient-rich foods, and consider smaller, more frequent meals. Protein is especially important for maintaining muscle mass. Consult with a healthcare provider to address any specific needs or concerns. Plant-based eaters can gain weight healthily by focusing on calorie-dense foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, legumes, and whole grains. Include a variety of plant proteins and healthy fats in your meals. Fortified plant milks and protein powders can also help boost your intake. Planning is key to ensure you're meeting all your nutrient needs. Cultural preferences and traditions can influence your food choices and eating habits. Embrace foods and recipes from your culture that are both enjoyable and nutritious. If certain traditional dishes are lower in calories, try adding healthy fats or proteins to boost their energy content. Respecting your cultural background can make your weight gain journey more meaningful and sustainable. Gaining weight doesn't have to be expensive. Buy in bulk, choose seasonal produce, and prepare meals at home to save money. Foods like oats, beans, eggs, and peanut butter are affordable and calorie-dense. Planning your meals and shopping with a list can help you stick to your budget while still meeting your nutritional needs. When dining out, look for menu options that are rich in protein and healthy fats. Don't be afraid to ask for extra sides or toppings like avocado, cheese, or nuts. Choose whole grain breads and opt for grilled rather than fried foods. Eating out can still fit into your healthy weight gain plan with a little planning and smart choices. As you increase your food intake, it's important to practice good food safety. Store perishable foods properly, wash fruits and vegetables, and cook meats to safe temperatures. This helps prevent foodborne illnesses that could set back your progress. Safe food handling is a simple but crucial part of your healthy weight gain journey. Consistency is key when it comes to building healthy habits for weight gain. Set regular meal times, prepare balanced meals, and make physical activity part of your routine. Over time, these habits become second nature and support your long-term health. Remember, small changes add up to big results. Take time to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Whether it's reaching a new weight milestone, feeling stronger, or simply sticking to your plan, every step forward counts. Reward yourself with something meaningful, like a new workout outfit or a fun activity. Celebrating progress keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. There are many myths about weight gain, such as the idea that eating late at night always leads to fat gain or that all calories are created equal. In reality, the timing of your meals matters less than the overall quality and quantity of your food. Focus on balanced nutrition and don't be swayed by fad diets or quick fixes. Healthy weight gain is about long-term habits, not shortcuts. Motivation can fluctuate, but having clear goals and a support system helps you stay on track. Remind yourself why you started and visualize your success. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep your environment supportive of your goals. If you hit a plateau, revisit your plan and make small adjustments to keep moving forward. Healthy weight gain is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on making sustainable changes that you can maintain for life. Avoid extreme diets or drastic measures that promise quick results but may harm your health. By building a strong foundation of good habits, you'll not only reach your weight goals, but also improve your overall well-being for years to come. Let's recap the essentials. Focus on a caloric surplus with nutrient-dense foods, eat regularly, include all food groups, and prioritize strength training. Track your progress, manage stress, and get enough sleep. Seek professional guidance if needed, and remember that patience and consistency are your best allies. Healthy weight gain is about nourishing your body and building habits that last. Now that you have the knowledge and tools, it's time to put your plan into action. Start by making small changes, setting achievable goals, and tracking your progress. Remember, every positive step counts. Stay committed, be patient with yourself, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Your journey to healthy weight gain is unique, embrace it, and enjoy the process. If you need extra support, consider reaching out to a registered dietitian, joining a support group, or using reputable online resources. There are many tools and communities available to help you stay informed and motivated. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Surround yourself with people and resources that encourage your healthy weight gain journey. Healthy weight gain is about more than just the number on the scale. It's about building a stronger, healthier you. By focusing on balanced nutrition, regular exercise, and positive habits, you can achieve your goals in a way that supports your long-term well-being. Remember, every journey is unique, and progress takes time. Stay patient, stay positive, and celebrate every step forward. Here's to your health and happiness.